Okay fellas, I've just cleaned out another card, so I'm just going to start it running. So I know it's running and I'm not going to press the button from the back or something and accidentally turn it off or not turn it on when I should want to turn it on, and all these hassles that could go wrong, Or is it a photographer's life is not a happy one, to paraphrase Gilbert and Sullivan. Okay. From the Pirates, I think it's from the Pirates of Penzance. Don't quote me on that one either. And I'm going to put 3 yoke straps over the front and get it level if possible. Get the camera level. Get it up to eye level. All these things, hopefully stop the windage coming in there. Poke the thing down in there. Maybe put one of these hockey straps over the camera like that just to make sure it holds it down nice and snugly, and off we go and start going up the Mountain Bowl road now. Hopefully we'll get some stunning footage, maybe the odd bird that flies in front of the car. But I've got no walkie-talkie to frighten them with or anything to make them do that. Hang on to your seat, it's going to be a bit of roughage. We might actually want to go down this one eventually, fellas. So this will probably be another trip. I've been looking on the map and it looks like it's interesting. We could probably go up here and back to the mine site, the one we went to earlier on in the year. And I said, oh, it might be good round, between crossover from June to July. When the basal rosettes come out, we'll go looking there and we might get up to it this way. So it's a nice, easy, come back down to the car sort of thing once I'm buggered. Okay. Over and out. Okay, fellas. I was just thinking maybe we should link the that sidetrack one to this one as well, because we'll both be doing both around the crossover from June to July, and the basal rosettes are really coming out, sort of thing. I'm saying that now, having already filmed basal rosettes coming out this past week, sort of thing. So yeah. Yeah, because we're in the first week of June basically this week, so you know, I'm saying from the end of June to July, you know, crossover from there is the best time to. That's basically when the basal rosettes are fully opened out. But also with the hookery eye, of course, it spends most of its time as the basal rosette, so that's really what it's all about, trying to get the crossover from June to July. And so, usually my son used to have the school holidays a bit later on than then. I used to go down late July into early August to do the ones down at Nankita Tuparang. But maybe now he's at uni, the holidays will be around, and we'll actually get to see them right at their prime down at Nankita Tuparang, sort of, you know, the true hookery eye, you know, the big, and maybe they've had a burnout over the summer. As I said, I was expecting a burnout over last summer, and it never happened. So whether they've moved or something, I don't know. But you know, you never know when you're going to get a health scare and have to move into an old folks home or something. You know, you can really set your basic plans back, you know, from the crossover from one generation to the next. I can quite understand that. So yeah, we might turn back up there this year and see a for sale sign or something, which would be very sad, because I've been going on that property now for nearly a decade, I suppose. Yeah, was it 2007? I think I first came across it. Oh, was it before that? I think 2007 was when I had the little bingle thing up there with a xanthorrhea on that skiddy road up there that should be absolutely totally dry or something. Yes, and damaged the Camry to some extent. It was all visual basically, but yeah, it looked worse than it was. It was all cosmetic basically. Okay, anyway, we'll end this clip and we'll start a new one, and I'll try doing bonnet cams. So the next thing you see, hopefully, will be the Neville Road sign now at a different height. Okay, over and out.